Hello students, welcome to Lecture Card. Today we are here to discuss paper number 1 of CS professional level, which is newly included under the new syllabus regime given by ICSI. And basically why today I have taken ESG as a subject to discuss with you all. The reason is that most of the students who have appeared for this paper in the last attempt, I mean the June 2024 attempt, they were very skeptical about the paper and about the questions which were asked in the paper. So I thought to make a small video in which I'll be discussing the paper pattern of this particular subject and the subject, of course, the subject, right? So moving ahead, the entire paper, the entire subject, environmental, social, and governance principles and practice, is divided into three parts. Now, the first part basically is of 65 marks. Now, one important thing which I want to make you realize, or I can use a better word here, which is that I want to escalate in front of you, is that for 20 marks, we have only one chapter. For 15 marks, we have two chapters, whereas for 65 marks, we have 17 chapters. Now listen to me very carefully here. You can score 35 marks. I mean, when I say scoring, I don't mean कि आपको पूरे पूरे मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. ICSI, ICAI, ICMAI फुल मार्क्स नहीं देती है. ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ अ लॉ बेस्ड थियरी पेपर. बट इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट दीज 35 मार्क्स, सिर्फ 3 चैप्टर्स की तैयारी करनी है. ओनली 3 चैप्टर्स आर देयर विच हैव टू बी जस्ट मक्ड अप और अंडरस्टूड thoroughly to deal with the 35 marks का syllabus. But again, these 35 marks alone are not going to make you pass the paper, right? So remaining 17 chapters are equally important, but undoubtedly they are there for 65 marks. तो 65 मार्क्स के लिए ज़्यादा पढ़ना है, एंड एज कम्पेयर टू द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन विच इज़ 35 मार्क्स, उसके लिए रिलेटिवली आपको कम मेहनत करनी है, कम पढ़ना है. ठीक है, कम मेहनत करनी है इन रिलेशन टू फर्स्ट पार्ट. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेहनत कम करनी है ऑल टुगेदर. आई मीन इट इज़ CS प्रोफेशनल लेवल. मेहनत तो बहुत करनी है, बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना होगा, स्मार्ट वर्क भी करना होगा. करेक्ट? So the first important thing, that the entire subject is divided into 3 parts. Number 1, the first part, which is governance and sustainability, for 65 marks. Then we have risk management for 25 marks and environment and sustainability reporting for 15 marks. Now we are sorted here. But if I talk about the questions which were asked in the June 2024 attempt, or the paper pattern per se, most of the students were confused because long case studies were given, long questions were there, long paragraphs were there, but questions were relatively were asked. I mean, there were direct questions. So now just look at the paper pattern, the way we used to approach the reading comprehension passages के questions when we were in 7th, 8th grade or 9th or 10th grade, right? मैम कैसी बात कर रहे हो, क्या मजाक कर रहे हो, आप भी 9th-10th के पेपर से कंपेयर कर रहे हो क्या इसको? नो, आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग CS प्रोफेशनल लेवल विद 9th और 8th क्लास और 8th grade. Rather, I am comparing the type of questions or the structure or the constitution of the paper or the questions which were asked in the recent attempt. And let me tell you, this June 2024 attempt was the first attempt under which we had the CS professional के new syllabus के paper, right? So majorly the suggestion which I want to give you is that you should focus on the question first rather than focusing on the case studies. Now case studies, now what is happening, ये क्या भूतिया चीज़ हो रही है? This conjuring thing is happening. There is some minor light fluctuation happening because of the bad weather. So please bear with me and bear with the environment as well. हम ही ने ख़राब किया है इसे. So कर्मा वापस हम ही को आके काटेगा. So moving ahead, let's focus on the content and the information which I am giving you rather than focusing on the ये मेरे तरफ से extra effects डाले गए हैं वीडियो में ताकि आपको entertaining feel होता रहे. So now moving ahead, so the approach which you should have is that of the comprehension passages का approach, जिसमें हम पहले questions देखते हैं and then we move on to the passage or we move on to the case study. So the same type of questions, the paper pattern was there in the June 2024 attempt, and this is my suggestion to each and every student who will be giving paper in upcoming attempt, December 2024 attempt, that you should keep in mind these points. Sabse pehla, the entire ESG portion is divided into 3 parts: part A, part B, part C, 65, 20 and 15 marks. Followed by the fact that the questions which were asked in the recent attempt, June 2024 attempt, were more or less based on the case study pattern, but questions were sort of direct questions, right? So you should first approach the questions and then you should move on to the case study, right? And third important point, I will be declaring very soon one good information, one good news is there which might be helpful for you, that I am starting the video lecture series. I'll be launching my video lecture series. Those who want to join me offline can join me, the details of which will be given in the video description. And those who want to buy it online, because I know there are many students who are undergoing training under some trainer, or they might be busy in other works. So they can buy my videos through online platform also. And the online platform is Lecture because you know that all the videos, all my reference guides are only and only available as of now in the Lecture platform. Right? So I hope that you will watch the entire video and you will take the best information out of this 8 minutes video, and all the best for your future. And if you have any doubts, any queries, then you can anyways contact us on 7738999997. You can also connect to us through our website and also through our Telegram channel. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you. Shabba khair. Bye bye.